Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. Start now. Open Gmail in a desktop browser, click the gear, then see all settings. Once there, go to the Inbox tab and choose an inbox type that fits Outlook's layout. Next, enable the reading pane under Advanced or Inbox settings so messages preview on the right or below. This mimics Outlook. Also set display density to compact to pack messages tighter. Doing these first shapes the interface immediately and makes later steps simpler. Once the reading pane and density are set, customize folders and sections. Go to Labels and unhide the labels you want visible. Think Inbox, Sent, Archive, Custom folders. Then enable multiple inboxes in Settings Advanced. Configure panes using queries like is, starred, or label projects for separate columns. If you prefer single messages rather than threaded conversations, turn Conversation View off in general. These steps align Gmail's left column. Now finalize appearance and shortcuts. Choose a high contrast theme and increase font size in settings so lists read like Outlook. Enable keyboard shortcuts and optionally add a Chrome extension that offers Outlook-style icons or a task pane. Make sure labels placement is pinned to the left and multiple inboxes' widths are balanced. If the layout doesn't stick, clear browser cache, disable conflicting extensions, or reset Gmail settings and repeat the steps. One key tip: test changes in an incognito window to rule out extension interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.